So we'll continue power and energy problem again. So see a question. A toss ball is rated 2.5 volt and 750 milliampere. Calculate its power. Second, its resistance. Third is the energy consumed if the bulb is lighted for 4 hours. Okay. So now 2.5 volt. V equals to 2.5. Okay. 750 milliampere. Milliampere means current is given 750 milliampere. So convert to ampere. So how much it will be? That is milli. Milli means you divide by 100 ampere. Actually it is 75 into milli मतलब 10 to the power minus 3. Try to understand this. Milliampere convert to ampere means the decimal will move 3 places. That will be 0.75 ampere. This is 750. 750. So milli means 10 to the power minus 3. So 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. So decimal will go left 3 places means 0.750. 0.750 ampere. Okay now? Calculate its power. Power means V into I. So V means 2.5 into 0.75. The right side 0 is no below. Power is watt. So 25 5 gas 125 187. After decimal 3 digits 1.875 watt. Okay, calculate its resistance. The resistance of find the unit of V equals to IR. So I is given, V is given, R you can find. R equals to V by R. So V by R means what I have to do? So R equals to V means 2.5 divided by I is 0.75. So what you do is equalize the digit, then the decimal will be cancelled. Like 2.50 you can write by 0.75. Because if you put 0 in the right side, no problem. So that will be no change in the value. That means it is 250 by 75. 25 10 25 3. That is 3.3 omega. Then you will find out energy consumed if it is used for 4 hours. So time is given you 4 hours. first means convert to second, 4 into 60 into 60 second. Okay. Now energy, what is the formula of energy here? The energy equals to, that is work done. Energy equals to VIT, because V is given, I is given, VIT you can write. So VIT means 2.5 into 0.75 into 4 into 60 into 60. Look at the technique here. So you can remove 2 decimals. After decimal 2 digits, 2 zeros gone. So 2.5 75 4 into 6 into 6. So that is how much? Now multiply, that will be 270000. Energy consumed, because energy unit is joule. So you can try rated 1.5 volt, current drawn is 500 milliampere. Calculate everything like this. So you can practice a question like this. Now let's go to another question. That is an immersion heating rod. That means when you make the water hot, the immersion heating rod of 500 watt, means power is 500, used for half an hour. Used for half an hour. Find the energy consumed in, first is kilowatt hour, second is in joules. Important question. Okay. So power is given 500 watt, time is half an hour, means 0.5 hour. Got the point? So the energy consumed, what is the formula of work done energy? PT. This is one formula, because power is given, time is given. So how much you got? Now 500 into 0.5, this is watt hour. Watt hour. So 5 5 are 20. So you can remove 1 decimal. After this 1 decimal, 1 0 gone. You can write 50 into 5. 1 0 gone, decimal gone. So 50 into 5 means 250 watt hour. What you want to convert into kilowatt hour. The watt will be converted to kilowatt. Divided by 1000. So which is equal to 250 by 1000 kilowatt hour. The best method is to write in decimal. 3 digits, 30 means leave 3 digit, 2 decimal. 0.250 kilowatt hour. Okay, now again what you will find in joules. You have to remember 1 kilowatt hour equals to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. This time you have to remember. So that will be how much? So that will be now 0.25, because this 0 is no value. 25 kilowatt hour, you write 3.6 into 10 to the power 6, that is in joule. So 25 6 are 150, 45 75 50 is 90. After decimal 3 digits, 1 2 3, 0.900 into 10 to the power 6. What you write in scientific notation, decimal has to come to one place. 9.00, one power will be reduced, 5 joule. So you can find out 1000 watt used for half an hour, find the energy consumed in kilowatt hour. Okay. These questions have to practice more, then only you can remember. There is another important question for us. In a house, 240 watt bulbs are used. 240 watt bulbs are used for how many hours? Used 5 hours daily. Okay. Then and 160 watt bulb for 2.5 hours daily. 160 watt 60 watt bulb for 2.5 hours daily. Then there are two fans. There are two fans, ceiling fan or any fan, 50 watt each. Okay, 50 watt each, which are used 10 hours, which are used 10 hours daily. Calculate the energy consumed. Calculate the energy consumed and total expenditure for 30 days. Total expenditure for 30 days. If 1 unit electricity costs rupees 2.50. So long question. Okay, let's see then. How much energy you are consuming for 240 watt bulb? First, 240 watt bulb means 2 into energy is how much? Energy 1. 2 into 40 watt. How many hours? 5 hours daily. So So what into 5 hours? So that is hours. 400 watt hour. Energy 2. Second, 60 watt bulb for 2.5 hours. 60 watt bulb. Energy 2. 60 watt into how many hours? 2.5 hours. 2.5. How much? 150 will come. 150 watt hour. Okay. Then comes up 2 fans. Third one. 2 fans means how much is that? 2 fans is 50 watt. 2 into 50 watt and used for 10 hours daily. So that will be 50 to the 100, 1000 watt hour. So now what is total energy consumed in one day? So you can write total energy consumed in one day. Total energy consumed in one day. How much will be? So energy will be first energy plus second plus third. First is how much? First was you can find out 42 into 40 into 5, 800 plus 150 plus 1000. Total is how much? 1950 watt hour. This is for one day. So for 30 days at Roger, for 30 days, that will be 30 into 1950 watt hour. So 00585 watt hour. This you make as 10 hours. So your answer will tell you. Okay, 58850 watt hour. Convert to kilowatt hour. 5. So energy equals to 5850 divided by 1000 kilowatt hour. So 1 0 cancel. How much you got? 585 by 100 kilowatt hour. Okay. Then 1 kilowatt hour equals to 1 unit. You can write here. This is 5.85 kilowatt hour. Remember, 1 kilowatt hour equals to 1 unit. So I write here 1 kilowatt hour equals to 1 unit. So energy will become 5.85 unit. So 1 unit is costing how much? 2.50. So cost will be 2.50 into 5.85. So this 0 has no value. 25 5 is 125. One, 4, 6, 2, 5. After decimal 3 digits. 14.625. So that is rupees 14 point, round off up to 2 places. So 5, cancel this, add 1 to this 14.63. So when you round up to 2 places, next digit is 5. 5 means you have to cancel here, add 0 to previous number. So you can try one question on this. 4 hours 60 watt for 3 hours, 2 fans 50 watt each, which are used for 8 hours. Now you can find out how much it is coming. Okay, now this is all about this. Now let me take another question. One heater is rated how much? 220 volt, 5 ampere. Calculate the energy consumed if calculate the energy consumed if the heater is used for 10 hours. If the heater is used for 10 hours. So what is the meaning given here? Heater rated 220 volt. Volt is equal to 220. Current equals to 5 amperes. The power you can find out. That is power is VI 220 into 5, 1100 watt. Okay. Energy consumed when the heater is used. What is the energy consumed? Now power into time. Energy equals to power into time. Power is 10 watt into time. Time is how much? 10 hours. So 11000 watt hour. Watt hour to convert to kilowatt hour. So kilowatt hour means how much? 11000 divided by 1000. That is kilowatt hour. That means 11 kilowatt hour. So we'll get simple question like this. Okay, now we'll go to heating effect of current. What does it mean? Look at here. Suppose there is a conductor. Connected to this is key here. This is the current flowing I here. This is suppose A point, this is B point. Now what happens here? This is positive terminal now. This is negative terminal. So electrons start moving in this direction because electrons will be attracted to the positive terminal. So when the electrons moves in a conductor, they are opposed by the molecules or atom of this conductor. So that means there is a resistance. So when the resistance is produced here, the hitting the wall or hitting the atoms here, heat is produced. So when the electrons move here, the work also is done. The work done is converted into heat energy. So that is called heating effect of the current. This is due to the resistance of the conductor. Okay, so you can write down in the short. So when the current flows in a conductor, electrons are attracted towards the positive terminal. Towards the positive terminal of the conductor. On the way, they are resisted by the atoms or the molecules. Present in the conductor. So to keep the flow of electrons, because when they oppose, you have to give some potential to this so that they will be attracted here. So to keep the electrons move, the work is done. To keep the electrons move, the work is done. This work energy is converted to, because it becomes hot. When there is a resistance, the wire becomes hot. The work energy is converted into heat energy. This is called heating effect of the current. That means now you understood, whenever the current flows in a conductor, the heat is produced. So now notes will call it as heat energy. So what is the unit of energy? SI unit of energy is joule. So SI unit of heat, because heat is a form of energy now, is also joule. Okay, so what is the formula of energy here? Since work equals to energy here, you can write so energy equals to I square RT. What you have done, the same thing you are going to do. What you have done in the work, energy formula will be same. Also, energy equals to VIT. Also, energy equals to V square T by R. These three formula, what you have done, the same thing we are going to use here. So let's see a question on this. So where is use of heat energy. Use of heating effect. Where this heating effect is there? It is used in heater, ball, iron, electric iron. Heater, ball, electric iron, these are everything. Also important is electric fuse. Also in the electric fuse, because when it becomes hot, then only it gets burned, so the current gets disconnected. So heating effect is also used in the electric fuse, electric heater, electric bulb, electric iron, all this, electric kettle. Now a problem based on this. Question is 1 kilojoule of heat energy is produced each second is 40 omega resistance. Okay. Find the potential difference across the resistor. Find the potential difference across the resistor. So what you have to do now? 1 kilojoule of heat energy. Energy is given to you 1 kilojoule. Okay. Then convert it to joule, that will be 1000 joule, because energy will be joule, 1000 joule. Resistance is given to you 40 omega. Okay. Time each second. Each second मतलब time is given to 1 second. Then what is the potential difference? Potential difference means volt you find out V. How much volt is required for this? So what shall I write? First you write heat equals to I square RT. From there it will come out. So let's write heat energy equals to I square RT. 1000 joule equals to I square not given 40 into 1. So I square equals to 1000 divided by 40, 0 cancel. 4 means 25. So I equals to root over of 25. That is 5 ampere. Now V is what? What is the formula here? V is equal to IR. The formula is V equals to potential. V equals to IR. So I means 5 ampere into resistance is 40, volt is potential is volt. So how much you got here? 200 volt. So another question. an electric heater of resistance H omega draws 15 amperes means current from the service main main source, service main, that is main source of for 2 hours. Okay, calculate the rate which heat is produced in the heater. Calculate the rate at which, that means per hour, the heat is produced in the heater. So what is given? Let's collect. Resistance is how much? 8 omega. R equals to 8 ohm. Draws a current I equals to 15 ampere. From the source, time is 2 hours. Okay. Then what will you find? Is used for 2 hours. Okay. Calculate the rate at which the heat is produced in the heater. The rate at which the heat is produced in 1 second. Heat is produced in, actually I will find out rate at which the heat is produced if only heat is produced, then you will use 2 hours you have to multiply. But calculate the rate, means per second how much it is produced. Produced per second. Produced per second here. Total heat produced is different. Rate means per second how much heat is produced. So that will be heat equals to I square RT. Here T you have to use 1 second because of this word right here. So how much you will get here? So heat equals to 15 square. R is 8 into 1. So that is how much? 225 into 8 into 1. 1 to no need to write. 1800 joule. Rate means per second. Rate is per second. But if you find, calculate the, if I take another question of 10, service main for 2 hours, 15 ampere, you write 10 ampere. Calculate the heat produced. Calculate the heat produced by the heater. Means total heat produced. Here the time you have to take 2 hours. So try to solve. So this chapter is finished. So try to solve the textbook questions given in your textbook.